Sedona. Beautiful Sedona. Yay. Hello everybody, welcome to the last leg of our Sedona trip. We are landing Sedona, runway 21. It's my YouTube videos. I'm posting YouTube videos.
50 seconds before you change your fuel tank.
Thank you. Sedona, so TPA is 6,000 feet. Runway 21, we're going to come in a little bit higher. There's a hill on the final approach. We got our AWAS. He'll probably terminate us into the... Get that ready, 1330. All right.
Okay, change your fuel tank.
Thank you. We got an airport right below us. Engines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See if we can spot the airport way out here. It's up on a hill. It's on a flat like mesa. It's cool. It's kind of like Catalina.
Yeah.
Where it's got kind of cliffs on both sides.
Yeah.
But it's at 5,000 feet instead of 1,600 feet. 12 minutes. All right, let's get strapped in. Let's go ahead and get all nice and bundled up.
Cottonwood.
Cottonwood, good job.
2350, radar contact, 6 miles northwest, Sedona, resume navigation.
Sedona Airport, automated weather observation, 2324, Zulu, weather, wind, 260 at 7, visibility.
260 at 7, so it's not bad. Gotta pee.
I have to go too.
T257 traffic, 12 o'clock, 4 miles northeastbound, Cardinal, 9,400.
Looking for the traffic, this gate 57.
Cardinal 13 Hotel Kilo traffic, 9 o'clock, 3 miles southbound, Cherokee 9,500.
9 o'clock, you said?
Traffic inside this gate 57.
3 miles.
T25700.
Negative traffic, we're looking 3 Hotel Kilo.
3 Hotel Kilo, roger.
Southbound.
So 3 Hotel Kilo, are we converging then?
3 Hotel Kilo, no, they'll pass off the left. They're at about 10 o'clock, 2 miles.
Ten o'clock and 2 miles.
There.
See him? Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, we've got traffic passing behind us, no factor, thanks. 3 Hotel Kilo.
3 Hotel Kilo, roger. Descend at your discretion.
Descent at our discretion. 3 Hotel Kilo will descend now.
Pretty sure I've got the field, mate. There's the field, okay. See the airport? It's on a hill, and it's just on this side of the left side of that long ridge of cliffs. So Jerome is, I think, in this area.
Alpha Bravo Charlie Delta Echo Foxtrot.
Yep.
Golf Hotel India Juliet Kilo.
Yep.
Indicate Lima Michael November Oscar.
Hunter 908, descend to maintain VFR at or below 1.
Mike, not Michael, but yeah.
Path discretion down to 10,109.8.
Okay.
M November Oscar Papa Quebec. You are Romeo Sierra Tango Uniform.
And approach 109.8, we're VFR, we'd like to stay at 12.5.
Victor?
109.8, roger. Radar service terminated, squawk VFR, and frequency change approved. You can talk to Albuquerque
X-ray.
on
Yankee Zulu.
127.6.
I can't believe you did it.
127.67 and request flight following.
109.8, roger. Cardinal 3 Hotel Kilo, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved, no targets reserved between you and Sedona. Have a good day.
Thanks so much for the help. 3 Hotel Kilo, squawking VFR, and have a great one.
1200.
Sedona traffic, Cardinal 13 Hotel Kilo is about 12 to the west. We are inbound 8,100 descending for a full stop runway 21 Sedona.
There's a thing that you're not supposed to say when you get to an airport like this, because there's no tower, right? So you just have to self-announce and talk to other air traffic yourself. One thing you're not supposed to say is, all traffic in the area, please advise. A lot of people do that, where they're like, if anyone's in the area, tell me, but then all of a sudden you have like 5 guys trying to talk at once.
Oh.
You know what I mean? Oh, we're gonna go right into the sun. Not what I wanted. I didn't think about that.
And Sedona area traffic, Cardinal 13 Hotel Kilo is 10 miles to the west. 7,500 descending. We're inbound for left traffic, runway 21, Sedona, full stop.
Sedona traffic, helicopter Red Rock 2 is lifting off the southwest helipad to south, Sedona.
To the south. So on the approach end of the runway, there's a hill just before the runway.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Like gorgeous.
Sedona traffic, helicopter Red Rock 4 off the southwest helipad to the south, Sedona.
And Sedona traffic, Cardinal 13 Hotel Kilo is 8 miles to the west. We are inbound for left traffic, 7,000 descending for runway 21, full stop, Sedona.
Doesn't get much better than this, baby. Okay, I'm going to start cleaning this up here. Feel on both. Gas undercarriage mixture, props, seatbelts, and switches. Mixture will richen a little bit. 6,000 feet, we'll just keep it about there. There you go. Prop on short final. Get our lights on. Gas undercarriage mixture, props, seatbelts, and switches. Make sure your seatbelt's super tight, okay?
Tight.
And Sedona traffic, you got a Cessna Cardinal 13 Hotel Kilo, 6,400 descending. We are 6 miles to right off runway 21, and we're going to enter left traffic for runway 21, full stop, Sedona.
That's long. Okay, shallow our descent. Should probably stay a little bit higher, a little bit longer.
There's a plane right there.
Where?
Straight ahead. Or
Where?
that's a bird.
Where?
See that white thing? 1 o'clock.
No.
Oh, well, it's going that way.
And Sedona traffic, Cardinal 13 Hotel Kilo is 6,300. We're entering the 45 for left traffic, runway 21, full stop, Sedona.
You see it still?
No.
I'm gonna come this way a little.
It might have been a bird, babe. But it was super white.
Hold on 1 second.
I don't see it.
Okay. Look at this rock here, babe.
Oh my god.
Sedona traffic, Cardinal 13 Hotel Kilo is downwind, left downwind, runway 21, full stop, Sedona.
Let's get notch flaps in. Keep the mixture where it is. Let's cabin heat off. Oh, there is a plane.
There's a helicopter over there, or a plane over there too.
Short of 2-1. You mind if we get past you before the traffic comes in, Sedona? Hey, you guys go ahead.
Where?
We're just completing a run up, so.
There's somebody in front of us over here too. Hold on.
Sedona traffic, Cardinal 13 Hotel Kilo is left downwind, runway 21, Sedona.
Sedona traffic, Skylane 2725 Foxtrot, taxiing on runway 21.
What do you see?
It's right above that.
We're going to stay in the pattern for 2.
Oh, I see that. On the other side of the ridge. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'm slow here. Hold on. I need to descend. Gas, undercarriage, mixture, prop on short final, seatbelt switches.
Sedona traffic, Cardinal 13 Hotel Kilo is turning left base, runway 21 Sedona.
All right.
Sedona traffic, Cardinal 13 Hotel Kilo is turning final, runway 21 Sedona, full stop.
Sedona traffic, Skyline 2725 Foxtrot is crosswind runway 21, Sedona.
Red Rock 4 is descending through Bearwallow Canyon past the Eagle. Red Rock 4 is descending through Bearwallow Canyon westbound past the Eagle. On Sedona frequency.
Nice.
Sedona traffic, Skyline 2725 Foxtrot, downwind runway 21.
Yeah, well, that was interesting.
And Sedona traffic, Sirius 8790 Romeo, just about to take runway 21, we'll be departing before the Skyline.
Sedona traffic, Cardinal 13 Hotel Kilo is clear of the active 21 Sedona.
It's a little warm, huh?
No.
Let's find ourselves a packing spot.
Oh.